feel cold or is it just me? Look at all this fog. It's not like I'm in Bangalore. And finally, the ride starts. All the bikes lined up, everyone ready. We are roaring to go. It was hard to ride in this fog, so we stopped for a photo break. Lining the bikes at different angles, taking photos. Fun times. Back on the road again, going through this dense fog. Then we stopped for a tea break and onwards to AP towards Horsley Hills. Before reaching the point, we stopped for breakfast at one of our riders' house. Idli with traditional chutney was very tasty. From our rider's friend's house, we started off to Horsley Hills. That's where I met this cute dog. I don't know where he learned this from, but he kept scratching my legs like, hey, look at me, I'm here. After a short break at the entrance of Horsley, actual adventure started. On to the Horsley Hills. Initial impression, we had to pay 50 rupees per person. We were 5 of us. After entry, the roads were good at the start.
There, the water is still there. Earlier what? Go down, go half the point, take pictures and come back. Don't take pictures, just stop. Huh? So then the next point will be Galibanda. So that is the actually we have that I love Horsley Hills and all that. Bike group ಎಲ್ಲ
They left me, so I had to ask people if they saw any riders pass by. Finally, at a location, Horsley Hills. This is a scary slope. If something starts rolling, it's almost impossible to stop. We are joking about the helmets rolling over, and if we follow the helmet, we also start rolling over. Off to the next spot, which is a little bit nearby. Place to just sit, chill, look at the view and the landscape. Nice place for meditation. We started to get hungry, so we stayed long enough, so we started our way back down. The roads at the bottom were good, but at the top they were not that great. Small stones everywhere, so cornering wasn't easy though.
తెలుసుంటే రూట్ తెలిస్తే ఇంకా కొంచెం ఇదే అయ్యేవాడిని, కంఫర్టబుల్ అయ్యేవాడిని. కరెక్ట్ కరెక్ట్. పైన ఏమో రోడ్ కూడా బాగాలేదు. రోడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ స్లిప్పరీ.
Finally, lunch break point, we ordered non-veg. Since everyone was a non-vegetarian, it was fun. Tasty stuff. This started as a normal ride, friends gathering, riding together. It was just a ride for us. For someone else, it had memories. Whenever he passes through each point of this ride, there's a waterfall of memories pouring in. Its light smile on his face, the glow, the happiness in his eyes when he started to stay and share his stories with us. It was evident. It was just a ride for us. For him, it was more than just a ride. Reliving his childhood memories. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe.